Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite festive drinks, and that would be the Starbucks Gingerbread Latte. I am just loving the iced drinks. They're so simple to make. I make them in a couple minutes or less, and you don't have to leave your house and you don't have to spend $5 or $6. So let's get started. First, you're going to have some ice. Once you fill your cup up with ice, you are going to get some espresso. And now we're going to pour our espresso. I get a lot of questions on my espresso machine. This is not a sponsored video, but I use the Nespresso, and it's so much easier to use something that's automatic. So if you're in a hurry, it's just really easy to get your espresso. And yeah, so let's go ahead and start our espresso. Now we are going to pour some milk into our cup. And you can use any type of milk that you want. I choose to use non-dairy. It's completely up to you. And I am using the Coffee Mate gingerbread creamer. It's the frosted gingerbread creamer, and I'm really excited to give it a try. It kind of puts me in the mood for Christmas. And now we're going to add just a little bit of the creamer on top. And there you have it. You can add as little as you want, as much as you want, and it's so delicious. It's super easy to make. And there you have it, your Starbucks frosted gingerbread latte. It's so delicious, very simple to make. And yeah, so don't forget to subscribe and also hit the little notification bell. I make videos once a week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.